Okay, we're on problem 9-34, and now we're doing B. And we're supposed to solve for these variables, E and D. And we're also supposed to name the definition or relationships that justify the steps that we take to find D and E. Okay, I'm going to take these in order. So first of all, I'll find D. And it looks like D is a supplemental angle with the angle that measures 131. And so I am going to just say 131 plus D is equal to 180 degrees. And then I can just solve this by subtracting 131 from each side. This zeroes out. D is left over here by itself. And then 81 minus 31, let's see, that's 50 minus 1 is 49 degrees. Okay, so now we know what D is, and we know that because angle 131 and angle D are supplementary angles. Okay, so angles, those two angles are supplementary. Now we're going to try to find E. All right, so I think I'm going to use what we learned today in class, which is that the exterior angle of a triangle, so here's an exterior angle, is equal to the sum of the remote interior angles. So in this case, it's those two angles. But up here, this angle is going to be equal to the sum of this angle and this angle. And I already know what this angle is because this little square means that is a right angle. And so that is going to be 90 degrees. So I can write an equation that says that E plus 90 degrees, because that's that little corner, will add up to and be equal to this exterior angle, which is 131. So now I can just use equation solving skills and subtract 90 from both sides, and it zeroes out here. E drops down here, and then 131 minus 90 would be 41 degrees. And so now I know that E is 41. And I know it because the sum of measures of the two, there are two of them, two interior remote angles are equal to the exterior angle. All right, let me clean that up a little. Okay, the sum of measures of the two interior remote angles are equal to the, and I should say the measure of the exterior angle. Okay, sorry. The sum of measures of the two interior remote angles are equal to the exterior angle, or the measure of the exterior angle.